Hello, today we're gonna talk about this plant. Most of you won't recognize it, but I'll give you some hints. This plant is a very good plant. We eat it as a vegetable. It puts out stalks and we eat them out. It's usually makes up a luxurious dinner. It can be cooked at home, even preserved. You can do anything with it. And also, a small hint, some people, when they eat this plant, will have their urine which smells a lot. I know it's not a nice thing, but some people get to know that what's the cause a bit later. It will have a sulfuric smell. So, if you haven't guessed yet, this is an asparagus. Asparagus grow in stalks during the year to accumulate sugar in the roots, and when they dry out you have to harvest them, cut out all the leaves and stalks, not leaves, sorry, and then a new growth will come out. New growth will come out as asparagus. They can be harvested after the third year when the thickness is around a pinky or a bit larger than a pencil. They can be harvested. Every time they are harvested, the next growth will be a bit thinner. So you can harvest till they come to to the thinness about a pencil. Once they are smaller, you let them grow, so the plant stores energy for during summer and the next season. Asparagus need a lot of vitamins. Usually a layer of mulch is added every year, or animal manure which a year has passed over it. So the manure has to be old around a year, and it has to be put on top of it, around 1 inch of mulch or fertilizer. Animal manure, not fertilizer. So it is a hungry feeder. It loves fertilizer and a lot of water. Some people prefer to have 2 harvests. I wouldn't suggest it. I would suggest that you only pick 1 harvest. For example, you pick throughout 2 months, 3 months, and once they thin out, you let it be. So the plants recuperate some of its energy. The plants will survive up to 25 years easily, and you can find them to be bought as crowns, which are the roots, or as seedlings or as seeds. Seedlings, they all have their goods and best. These are bought as seedlings and some as seeds. They were sprouted by myself. As seeds, you won't always get the original copy of the mother plant. As crowns, usually you will have it. Usually they are good plants. And seedlings, they are also good. Each has its own. Some of these are grown from seedlings, seeds. Crowns we don't have in our country, so these are mostly grown by seedlings or seeds. Here I will show you another one which is sprouting now. This one, but this, as you can see, my pinky is twice the size. It can still be eaten raw. It has a fresh peas taste, the taste of fresh peas, and they are good. Even these tenders can be cooked, but I wouldn't suggest it. They won't have a lot to eat on top of them. The best is to harvest them from below the soil like this and bend it. I'm gonna show this. I know it's not appropriate, the size, but I'm gonna show you how. You just bend it and it will give away from when it's good. If we let this grow, it will grow up into a full-grown stalk like this. Okay. Hope you enjoyed the video. Give us a thumbs up. Okay, and subscribe. Thank you.